Hello everybody, this is Blade78 with a review of the app called Tasker. I'm reviewing this app on the HTC Inspire 4G. Okay, the app I'm reviewing is Tasker. Okay, let me open it up. Tasker is a app that lets you set up profiles, different profiles for different apps or different things you wanted to do. As you can see here, I have here's 5 profiles of many I have on here, like GPS, app lock, a profile setup for movies, app brightener, which is the brightness of the screen, rotation, that's for programs that requires you, if you turn your phone sideways, it automatically does it for you without having to go into settings and activate rotation. Okay, and app lock is a program which you can create, which would eliminate you from like downloading the app lock from the market. It save your phone from adding different apps you don't need if you have one that does it all for you. Tasker is a program that eliminates the use of other apps, so you won't clutter your phone with a bunch of apps you don't want to hog up your phone. Okay, I'm going to show you an example of this app lock in action. Okay, let's back up out of this. Okay, alright, I'm going to go into one of my programs. Okay, my bank program. Okay, alright, it doesn't activate right off. It kind of show your other screen first. That's one of the imperfections. Is it has I don't know, an update maybe it'll help, but it's not a word for me. But it does what it's supposed to do. You enter your passcode, and if you put in the wrong code, it's gonna tell you what. Okay, they're gonna tell you, sorry, bad code, please try again. You can set up your own code when you programming this in profiles. Okay, I'm not gonna go into depth of showing you how to set up a program because it's long and tedious, and it's a lot of different things. You can find websites to help you out on this, and some of the website is, let me show you right quick. Here is, alright, you can push menu and then you can say browse profiles. These are a list of websites which you can go to. You press them and it take you to open up your browser and take you to the sites where different profiles you can find and maybe add to your screen. If you remember before, you saw app brightener. I found it on this website called profilefy.com, and it has many different profiles which you can set up. Okay, it'll help you if you, it has a kind of a steep learning curve, but after you use it for a while, I'm thinking that you'll be able to learn it, set it up. If you're one of those people who like trying new things, and it's easy to set up, you'll learn it. Okay, and it also in the menu it has where you can back up your profile data. Okay, you can back up, restore, or import, or your profile or tasks. Okay, also if you have any preferences, you can set up preferences here, and for more things you need to do, this here like validate your profile. Tasker, I'm not sure, I think this Tasker is not free. I don't believe it is free. Okay, alright, if you want more info, you can click info and stuff like that. Anyway, you can set up a different, this is a time-based profiles here. You can set up schedules for like home, weekend. You got your set up a profile for your job or something like that. It's like you can set up the different, like if you want the call volume to be low at work, you can set it that way, and you can set it to low volume for the media, or for the notification. You can do all that. If you want to change the screen brightness, you can. Okay, I'm going to show you. Alright, it's time based, and then you want to know what dates. You can set up for what dates this profile to work on. And work profile, I'm going to go into that settings, showing little things what it does. Okay, this, you can set the ringer volume, like I said, notification volume, media volume, and this here notify, it'll show a little notification in the notification bar up there of when that profile activate. Kind of cool. Okay, like I said, you can set it for different profiles. Even you can set up for like schedule you some schedule SMSs out. If you like, you want to say a little note to your wife at a certain time, or a birthday message, you can schedule it with the SMS scheduling. It's time based. The date, you can set the time, the date, whatever you want, when you want to set it. Here is where you go in and edit the messages you want to send, or whatever number you want to send it to, or the message you want to send it here. You can create it all here. Like I said, it's takes some time to learn to how to do this, but it does it. I have it set up for like battery status. This one set up for like, it'll tell me the status of the battery every 3 hours within between 7 and 11 o'clock at night. It'll let me know what the battery status is, keep you reminded of it. Okay, I'm gonna do a test demonstration and show you how it works. Okay, I'm gonna test it.
Your current battery level is 71%.
See that? It shows me that in the notification bar. It shows me what percentage I have left. It reminds me like every 3 hours. Okay, you can set it for whatever, how long you want it to remind you of. It'll do it. Okay, like that. And there's calendar based time settings, and here's I got one where to set for a holiday profile. If I don't want, if I'm off on a holiday, I have a profile to set how my phone act, the brightness, the volume, everything else on a certain holiday that I want to use it on. I can have it set. I can like I got it set for like Good Friday or something. It'll start like my profile to keep my volume up, keep my video volume up, and stuff like that. You can set it for anything you want. Okay. Yeah. Like if you want, like I have this one set up for like if I'm going to the doctor, you want it to mute the phone and it by location. This does it by location. This one does it by location. And movies is the same thing, it's by location. If it detects to the theater you go to by GPS, it'll activate that profile. Okay. Alright. And I got this one is called incoming caller. When a caller called me, it names the person who's calling me. If it's unknown, it'll be unknown, but it does that. And it also let me know when it's low battery. And this one lets me know like plug it up. Say I'm gonna demonstrate what it does. Okay, test it. So,
HTC Inspire is now charging.
when I plug in the charger, it activate that notification. I mean, that one's unnecessary. I like to just hear it does it. Okay. Then I got low battery warning. It'll warn me when the battery is getting low at a certain percentage. I got it set at like 30%. Okay. Speaking of battery, but Tasker, it does use battery, but not significant enough to drain it where it's become a problem, saying this app is burning up my battery. This one doesn't drain your battery fast. Okay. And I got one even for like app removal. When you uninstall an app, it'll just say this app has been uninstalled. And here's another one called incoming text. Like when somebody sending you a text, it'll name the person who's sending you a text. And if you change your wallpaper, this is like a notification. Your wallpaper has been changed. Okay. You can set up many different profiles to whatever your usage is, and it's easy to set up. At first I thought it was going to be hard, but I learned my way around it. I've been using it for about on my Droid I had before. I used it. I love it, and it's easy to set up. I mean, it's I say anyone can learn this. You can set up for anything you want it to set up to remind. It can remind you of things. You can have it set up to remind you of appointments or whatever. It's it helps you take total control of your phone, and it thusly eliminate apps you don't need to get. It can eliminate a lot of them, and I'm finding new ways of doing that, so I won't clutter my phone up with a bunch of useless apps. And like I said, it makes use of, it shows you which profile is running, and like I said, if you have notifications, like it showed me your current battery level here. It like I said, it's set up for every 3 hours, but you can set it up for anything, notify you of anything, and you can even have it name off say what time it is every hour or something like that. You can set it up there. And if you notice here on this side is a check mark green. I don't think you can see it that good, but right there, that means it's active. I mean, it's activated. And as you can see, that symbol there is not active. SMS scheduler, it's you can schedule for what you want, but if you leave it on, it keeps in that same message over and over. Okay, you see that green? It also lets you know this active profile is running now. Weekend is what profile is running. I like those indicators on there like that. But anyway, Tasker is a good profiler, system profiler, where you can change different profiles of your phone. There are others out there that's easier to use, but I highly recommend this one. It does a good job of, and man, I love this program. But if you have any comments, feel free to post them under the video. And if you have any questions, also post it. I'll try to get back to you on it. But this has been a review of the app called Tasker. Thanks for watching. Please rate. Thank you.